Do you know the Hungarian alphabet? In this video series, I'll walk you through all the sounds and letters you need to speak Hungarian clearly. Hello everyone and welcome to Hungarian with Adriana. This is part one of a four-part mini-series on the Hungarian alphabet. And today we're starting with the easiest group of consonants, the ones that look and sound exactly like they do in English. I'll also give you a Hungarian word example for each letter so you can start building your vocabulary right away. There are 44 letters in the Hungarian alphabet, but 4 of them are only used in foreign or borrowed words. These letters are Q, W, X, and Y. The Hungarian names are Q, W, X, Y. You will not find these letters in proper Hungarian words, but they do appear in borrowed words like webkamera, xylophone, New York, and so on. Okay, let's get started. First we have the English letter B. In Hungarian it's B, and its sound B, just like in English. And here is the Hungarian word for banana, banán, banán. Next we have the English letter D. In Hungarian, D, D. And here is the Hungarian word for document, dokumentum, dokumentum. Next, the English letter F. In Hungarian, F, F. And the Hungarian word for photo is photo, photo. Next is the English letter G. In Hungarian, G, G. And the word for guitar in Hungarian is gitár, gitár. So even though in English the letter G is sometimes pronounced J, sometimes G, in Hungarian it's always pronounced like G. So it's never J. Next we have the English letter H. In Hungarian, H, H. And the word for hamburger in Hungarian is hamburger, hamburger. Next we have the English letter K, and in Hungarian it's K, K. The word for cream in Hungarian is krém, krém. Next we have L. In Hungarian, L, L. And the word for list in Hungarian is lista, lista. The only difference is that the L in Hungarian is softer. It's L, not L. So you can hear in the word list, in English you say list. In Hungarian we say lista, lista. It's softer, L, lista. Next we have the letter M. In Hungarian, M, M. The word for museum in Hungarian is múzeum, múzeum. Next we have the letter N. In Hungarian, N, N. The word for normal in Hungarian is normális, normális. Next we have the letter P. In Hungarian, P, P. The word for problem in Hungarian is probléma, probléma. Next we have the letter T. In Hungarian, T, T. The word for test in Hungarian is test, test. The only difference is that the Hungarian T is not breathy. So we don't say T, we say T. Test. Next is the letter V in Hungarian. V. V. And the word for vitamin in Hungarian is vitamin. Vitamin. And the last one is the letter Z in Hungarian. Z. Z. And the word for zebra in Hungarian is zebra. Zebra. Now, if you're wondering, hang on, are all the words in Hungarian almost exactly the same as in English? I'm afraid not, but the point of this video series is to help you get familiar with Hungarian sounds. And that's much easier to do when you're practicing with words you already know rather than with completely unfamiliar words. And as a bonus, you're also building your vocabulary faster because these words are easier to remember. That's it for part 1 of the Hungarian alphabet series. In the next video, we'll look at the consonants that look the same as in English but are pronounced differently in Hungarian. Letters like C, J, or S, for example. If you don't want to miss it, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.